Hello, today I'd like to talk about creating and managing shopping lists in Bevo. Let's start from the home page dashboard and click the shopping list tab on the right. As you can see, I have several stores set up, or lists, however you would like to define them. If you would like to make a new list, you simply go up here and click on Make New Shopping List and then create a name for it and begin adding items. I would like to take you into some of the lists I already have to show you how the functionality works. Once you start populating items in any list, it starts compiling a family master list. And I'll show you exactly what that means and how that works. As you can see, I have several lists set up here. What this shows is the currently selected items in each individual list. If you'd like to see the full list of Best Market, for example, we click on it, and this shows every item that has been added to the Best Market list. What's highlighted in orange is what we currently need for this shopping trip. In the past, I've gotten butter at Best Market, but I don't need it on this trip. What I do need, however, are grapes, but I don't currently have them in here. So what I'm going to go to the Add tab, and this is a list of the master family list, which I had mentioned before. And this is any item that has been added to any list that you have. So I do have grapes on a different list, but not on this one. So they're here in my master family list. So I'm going to select them here and save that and add that item to my Best Market list. That way you don't have to duplicate and add grapes over and over and again to different lists. It compiles a family master list so it's easily selected from the drop-down menu. While managing my Best Market list, I realized I also wanted to add coffee and butter. I do need some butter. So I simply click them and they'll be highlighted in orange and they'll be added to the currently selected list. You'll see here, butter and coffee have been added to the currently selected items for Best Market. You'll notice that some of the items have different color dots. Those coordinate with the colors that you gave to each individual family member, so you'll know who added which items to your list. The beauty and flexibility of Bevo's list management is that you can set up your shopping lists any way that you would like. If, for instance, you like to shop at one store only and you want all of your items set up alphabetically, you can do that without any categories. If you shop at wholesale clubs like I do, I'll show you how I set this one up. I set it up as center, left side, and right side. Typically, roast chicken and socks wouldn't be in a category together, but at my wholesale club store, I know that both of those items are in the center, and that's where I'm going to go to look for them. Now I'd like to show you how to add an item with a note. I'm going to go into Farmer's Market. I'd like to get flowers at the Farmer's Market this week, so I'm going to add that item. Scrolling through my family master list, I don't currently have flowers, so I'm going to add that. And the item is flowers, and I'm going to give it the category flowers. Since it's generic and each week I might want something different, I'm going to leave a note. This week I would like roses. So add roses to the note. When somebody clicks on the shopping trip view, they'll see that I've added flowers, because that's my color, and I left a note. And the note tells them that I would like roses. This shopping trip view is also what the mobile user will see when they're at the store. Within any list, you can click on Tell the Family You're Going Shopping, fill out the pop-up with the date and any additional information you need to give to the family, and they'll receive a notification. If you decide that you don't want to go to the farmer's market this week, or you don't need any of the items selected, you can clear all selected items. And that way, when you go back to your dashboard, it'll show that there are no items currently selected for the farmer's market. If you want to permanently delete an item from a list, instead of just unchecking it for the next shopping trip, you want to permanently delete it, we simply go into Manage Lists, and here we go, there's the roller. I want to delete this completely from my master list. And then you'll see it's gone. Save that. But now I've decided I don't want anything at the hardware store, and I don't want to shop at the hardware store. So I want to delete this list completely. I want to delete the whole list, hardware store, delete, and it's removed from my dashboard. Now you can manage and create your lists in Bevo to get organized, contain the chaos, make sure there are no return trips to the store for missed items, spend less time managing life and more time enjoying it.